Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I want to switch things up a little bit. I know I always talk about my hair, so I have another passion, and that is cooking food. So today I'm going to do a little cooking, and I decided to just vlog about it because this is the first time I'm making this dish in Canada. So before I get into it, guys, if you're just joining me for the first time, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Okay guys, so let's get to it. So what I'm going to be making today is Nkwobi. Yes guys, like I know it's something that you won't like really see around you in Canada, but I've been craving for it, so I decided to like go to the African store, get some groceries, and then make Nkwobi. So let me show you guys what I'm going to use today to make this meal. Okay guys, so these are my condiments. This is everything I'm going to be using to make the meal today. So here I have my this is Maggi Ninja pot. This is really good for traditional African cooking. Here I have 2 tablespoons of ground crayfish. Then here I have roughly ground pepper and onions. So I use the food processor to make this, so it's really roughly chopped. You can pound it if you want to, if you don't have a food processor, but please don't use a blender because it's going to be watery and we don't want that. And here I have palm oil. Of course I'm not going to use all this is a lot. Then this is potash. I got this from the African store. As you can see, I put it in a little bit of hot water for it to dissolve so I can use it to make the Nkwobi. Then I have here sliced onions. This is mostly for garnish. You're going to see how I'm going to do it. Then here I have utazi. This is the utazi. I got it from African store for $3 in Toronto. And yeah, so because it's dry, as you can see, it's dry, I decided to like soak it a bit in water, not hot water, just regular water, room temperature water, for it to like wake up. And I have table salt here if needed. Then I'm going to be using pepper soup spice. So the reason why I'm using this particular spice is I got this from Nigeria. This one has even though it has regular pepper soup spices, it also has the condiments required for Nkwobi, which is uda and uziza seeds, ground uziza seeds. So I'm going to use a little bit of this pepper soup spice. Then kale, I'm also going to be using kale. This is fresh kale I got from the grocery store. It's already washed and chopped, so you're going to see how I'm going to use that. And of course I have my meats. So what I'm using here is, this is cow leg. It's already cooked. This is chicken. So this chicken, I got this chicken from an Asian store, and they call it stewing hen. Yeah, that's the way they called it in the store. So it's labeled as stewing hen. It's just basically local chicken. It's not the soft agri chicken that scatters easily. This one, as you can see, I've cooked it for a while and it's still intact. So this is local chicken. And the cow leg, I got this one from an African store. I've already cooked it. So I cooked these guys with just 2 cubes of Maggi Ninja pots, some dry pepper, and some crayfish. That's all. I didn't even put salt in it because this is quite hard, so I wanted it to cook on time. This was also quite hard, so I put this one in the pot first, cooked it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I put this one, and then put the pepper, the Maggi Ninja pot, and the crayfish, and then I left them to cook. So they cooked for about 40 minutes, and then I brought it down. So yeah, so everything I have, these are my condiments. This is everything I'm going to use to make the Nkwobi. And now I'm going to go and start making it. So let's go cook, guys. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is my pan I'm going to use to make the Nkwobi. I already have 3 tablespoons of palm oil in the fire. I'm going to cook this on very low heat. So this is medium heat because I don't want it to overheat. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go in with this, which is the ground roughly chopped pepper and onions. So as you can see, the oil is hot, but it's not too hot. So usually you would have gone in with this first, but the reason I'm going in with this is because I just want the onions and pepper to have like the fried taste, just a little fried taste, not too much though. I don't want it to taste raw in the nkwobi, so I'm just going to heat this up for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to go in then and apply and pour in this one. So guys, I'm just going to allow this to steam for 3 minutes, and then we'll continue the cooking. Okay guys, so this has been simmering for 3 minutes now on low heat, and I'm going to put one of the Maggi Niger pot first. This is one of it, and then I'm going to put half a tablespoon of salt. Okay, now I have that all mixed, then I can now pour in the dissolved potash. So I'm going to pour this gently because so as you can see, the oil is already changing color. So this is what makes the nkwobi unique, gives it that unique yellow color. It turns the palm oil to that yellow color and makes it thick. So this is what you need to do. If you don't do this, then you're not making nkwobi. Okay guys, so once you achieve this yellow color, which is what you're looking for from the potash, then I'm going to put half of the crayfish. You know, I have 2 tablespoons of crayfish here. I'm just going to put half of it. And then continue stirring. I just stir this for a couple of seconds, like 30 seconds. And then I will pour in our meat. So this is our meat, the cow leg and the chicken. So I'm going to gently add them into the bowl, into the pot. Guys, I still have some of the stock from cooking this meat. So just in case you feel your nkwobi is too dry, you can just pour in the stock. Alright, so when you have the meat in there, you just mix everything. Make sure the sauce, the nkwobi sauce, coats every single piece of meat you have in the pot. Okay guys, so now that every piece of meat you have in the pot has been coated with the sauce, so I'm just going to go in now, and this is the dried utazi I showed you earlier. I just use my hands to like chop it up a bit. There's no need for a knife because it's soaked and dry, so I'm sorry, it's soft and soaked, so there's no need for knife. So I'm just going to sprinkle the utazi, and then the second Maggi Niger pot, I'm going to add that on top, and then the rest of the crayfish. So you give this a good stir for everything to mix again thoroughly, and then I'll cover it. Don't forget it's on very low heat. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for or simmer for about 5 minutes. So the reason why I'm going to leave it to simmer for 5 minutes on very low heat is because I want the spices and the taste of the sauce to really enter the meat. So guys, remember I talked about the rest of the stock, so I feel like I need a little more sauce in this. It will also help it to simmer properly. So I'm going to pour in, this is the rest of the stock from cooking this. I'm just going to put like half of it, maybe like 2 tablespoons of it, or 2 cooking spoons of it, just 2, and that's all. So I'll give this a very good mix. I'll give this a very good mix, and then I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm going to just let this cover cook for simmer for 5 minutes, and then I'll come back and finish up. Okay guys, so this has been simmering for about 2 minutes. So I actually forgot to put one very important ingredient, and that is the pepper soup spice that's supposed to give this the Nkwobi taste. So I was supposed to actually put it just before I put the meat, but no harm done. I'm just going to put it now. All right, so this is 1 tablespoon of the pepper soup spice. I'm just going to sprinkle that, and then mix it thoroughly. Guys, I can already feel smell the Nkwobi, like the smell has already changed with the addition of this pepper soup spice. That was such a major ingredient. Like, how could I have forgotten that? Oh well, it's been a while I made this dish, so don't blame me, please. Okay guys, so now that I have it completely mixed, I'm just going to cover it, allow it to simmer again, to keep simmering for just 1 more minute, then I'll round up this dish. Okay guys, so this Nkwobi is almost ready. Whoa, I can't wait. All right, so last but not the least, okay, well, second to the last, I'm going in with the chopped onions. So the reason why I chop the onions like this, because this is basically just garnish. So just sprinkle it around the Nkwobi. You don't have to use everything, but I think I'll just use everything because I've already sliced it. And then this is the last ingredient. So that is kale. This is already cut and washed, so there's no need to wash it. So I'm just going to pour a handful of kale in this. Okay guys, so the reason why I'm using kale is because chicken Nkwobi typically is made with green in Nigeria, but we don't have the green, what the vegetable they call green, but we don't have it here, so I'm just substituting it with kale. That's why I'm using kale. So this is a handful of kale, and then now you can turn off the heat because you don't need the heat anymore. So I'm just going to mix this guys up. Guys, this thing smells so freaking good, you have no idea, and it looks really good too. Don't you agree? Okay guys, I'm very satisfied with the outcome of this Nkwobi. I've never tried it with kale, but I'm confident it's going to turn out nice. So if you're in Canada and you're worried about how to make these local dishes, guys, don't worry. We have African grocery stores that have some of the things you require, and anything you don't have in the African store, you can always find substitutes in other things you find in other grocery stores. Like the kale, I'm using to substitute the green, and the pepper soup spice I'm using to substitute for the uda and uziza seeds, which I don't have, but then again, it's still fine. Okay guys, so this is ready. I'm just going to cover it now and allow the residual smoke to just steam the veggies, the vegetable and the onions. I've already turned off the heat and the Nkwobi is ready. That is it guys. And guys, this is the finished product. Oh my god, this turned out really good. Guys, I'm just going to go and devour this with my housemates, and I hope you guys love this video. I hope someone is going to try it out. Guys, trust me when I say this is completely and totally delicious. Please try it out and let me know what you think. And yeah, so guys, that's it for this video. And if you loved it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. And please guys, please share this video with your friends, anybody who finds this video helpful. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day and stay safe. Bye.